What's going on YouTube? It's Mark back at you. Today I have a quick video. I am cleaning the mass airflow sensor on a 2007 Honda Civic. It'll take you 5 minutes. It's quick, it's easy. Let's look at the car. So first thing you're going to do is locate the mass airflow sensor. That's this guy right here on top of your air box. So first thing you're going to do is pop all of your latches here, and all you have to do is slide it forward just a little bit to get out of the way of this here. So you can use a Phillips head screwdriver, undo these two screws on top, and then you're going to disconnect your electrical. So push down this tab, slide it right off. So then be careful when you pull it up, but it should just slide right up, just like that. So then what you're going to do is have a mass airflow. I like using CRC mass airflow cleaner. And you're just going to spray inside all your openings and clean it off. It doesn't take long to dry. It evaporates really, really fast. That's it. So I'm going to let that sit out and dry for about 5 minutes. You're going to do the exact same thing, putting it back in. Slide it in. 2 screws. Push your airbox back in, latch it, and you should be good to go.